Alright guys, so this is my first ever video making just an unboxing of the Mystery Tackle Box Pro. Alright, so let's go in. Alright, so it's already open, so yeah, just telling you guys right now. Alright, so here's my card telling me what's in it. Yeah, it looks like some pretty good stuff already. Alright, so the first thing that I opened already is the Lucky Craft. It's a Lucky Craft Slender Pointer, which retails for $18. And yeah, it's a really good color. Probably be using that right now. Alright, so our next thing is some DarkStar Swimmer. I haven't opened these, and these retail for $4.99 for a 4-pack. Okay, that's cool. And third thing in the box is a 3DB. I need to find it. 3DB mid crank retails for $10. Wow. Okay. Alright, sorry about that, guys. And yeah, this is by Yozuri. It's a pretty good color, actually. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's cool. It's don't know the name, the color. Whatever, we'll skip that. And oh no, this is not our last thing. Our fourth item is a Booyah Spin Rig. Retails for $7. Let's see, let's check it out. Some nice blades, good looking. Alright, and it's a 3/8 ounce. Alright, and then we got our Mustad Ultra Point hooks, Power Lock Plus Ultra Point weighted hooks. And this is by Mustad, right there. This retails for $6.69. Okay, let's move on to our final thing. And our final thing is a jig. It's a wood jig by Date's company, Bait Company. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's in looks like doesn't say the color in there. Well, I don't know the color, but yeah. See, and yeah, that's it. Here's got our Dipple Digest. Tells us information about like fishing and all that. And a little scratch off card. I'll do that later. And yep, that's it. And our sticker. And we're out here fishing right now. Oh, it focus. Oh, you can't see it, but yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching.